Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start. First, confirm your iPhone model and iOS version so Google Wallet will work. Install Google Wallet from the App Store and sign into your Google account. This ties your payment methods to your profile. Once done, set up Face ID or a strong passcode because the phone-level security lets Google Wallet authorize payments safely. Make sure location and notifications are allowed briefly so setup can verify devices. Now add a payment method when prompted to move to the next step. Now add your card. Open Google Wallet, tap Add a Payment Method and choose Card. You can scan the card with the camera or type numbers in manually. After entering details, the bank will require verification. This could be an SMS code, an email link, or a quick approval inside your bank's app. Complete that verification so the card is active. Once verified, set the card as your default if you want faster checkout. Make sure the billing address matches your bank records to prevent declines. To make a payment, open Google Wallet, authenticate with Face ID or your passcode, then hold the top of the iPhone near the contactless terminal until you see a confirmation. Apple's NFC behavior requires the app to be active for Google Wallet on some iPhone models, so keep the app open. If a transaction fails, first toggle airplane mode or reboot the phone. This often resets NFC. If problems continue, check your bank's app for holds or contact support. They can resolve verification or decline issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.